What's up, guys? It's about Chris Banks. If you're just joining me, welcome to my YouTube channel where I document my journey up to profitability. So, guys, as the title suggests, why trade correlated pairs? Okay, and this is my boss lane. Okay, that correlated pairs trading them, and why do you trade them and how do you trade them, which is very much important. So, as you see, I have four pairs here, and these are the four pairs that I trade, and these are all correlated pairs like AUD/USD, GBP/USD, EUR/USD, and GOLD/USD. These are all correlated pairs, and I do trade them, right? But how do I trade them then, right? How do I trade them, and what make them to be one of the best? Almost like described by itself, like this is just described by itself, and that's what I consider. So now, correlated pairs are pairs, for those of you who don't know, right? Are pairs that moves in the same direction, right? So the basically moves in the same direction or almost the same direction most of the time. So these are correlated pairs. So if you see those pairs, they does that, right? They move in the same direction most of the time. They are all going in the same direction. Now let's see this particular trade. This is a live trade right now, and let me give you guys the logic behind this trade. Even though the trade is everything is there, but let's see the logic. Let's see the logic. Whew, so internet connection. I mean, like, bro, that's what happens. So as you can see this, this is a bullish trend, right? So gold is in a bullish. We clearly see it as a TC, and then now it's a pullback, and then now we're expecting the push phase to continue. So gold is in a bullish phase. Absolutely amazing. So now let's head to EUR/USD. So these are all like all of these trades are in a bullish, right? Seeing this, right? So this is in a bullish trend. This is a bullish trend. This is a bullish trend. GBP/USD in a bullish trend as well. Seeing this trend. All of these trends are 4-hour trend line that range from there, and then we have XAU no Australian data USD. So it's also in a bullish trend, right? Even though we have a trenching right here, but then the trenching is okay. It's not fully confirmed. It's not fully confirmed, but yeah, that's what it is. So guys, let's head back to go. Let's see what's actually happening on go. So from the beginning, like this morning, what happens? Let's say we go to AUD/USD. Now you looking at AUD/USD is an uptrend, right? And it's clearly in an uptrend, which make it very important because it's in an uptrend. But then the uptrend that is in, I cannot trade from these, zones. Why? Because price is, it's too expensive to buy. It's very too expensive to buy. Buying in the zone, these red zones, no, it's too expensive, right? So I'll wait for price to come. If I want to buy, if I have a buy setup in these zones, I'm gonna buy from there. If I have a sell setups in these zones, I'm gonna sell from them because these are different zones, and the green means price is way too cheap, and the red means price is expensive, and we want to sell basically when things are expensive. Okay, not bad. And we had an uptrend. I could have said, okay, let me trade from this one, but no. Why? Because it's price is expensive. I know price is way too expensive. So they are in an uptrend. I want to, they are in a bullish trend. I want to catch up with the trend, but then how do I do it? So I know all of these pairs go in the same direction. So if I don't see it, I find the next one to see if I get it set up. So for GBS, they are the same thing. Bullish, but then price is expensive. I cannot buy from this one. Cannot buy from this one. As you can see, we have a rejection here, a very huge volume, and then price is pulling up. So let's see your USD. USD will have this very strong rejection, and then we have this not ready or bullish engulfing, but it should be forming by now. Same thing. Price is in a bullish trend, and then I cannot buy from here because price is too expensive and everything. Now let's see gold. Let's see what gold gave us. So for gold is in a bullish as well. But then the difference between gold and other pairs is gold is not expensive, right? Gold is actually cheap. Where prices are right now is cheap. So if you want to buy when prices are, when price is cheap. That's what you want to buy. And now price is way too cheap, and then this is what I want to buy, right? So I found the setup on gold, and then after this morning price came, and then I was in how this buy major setup, but then we had it. We had price coming, and now in this trade we're going up. We're going up. So that's what happened, guys. This is exactly what's happening, right? So very good thing processing. Now let's go back on correlated pairs. How do you trade it, or how do I trade it? I don't. Okay, I know that they are in uptrend. I found a setup on go. I don't trade everything at the same time. By that I mean I don't take position on everything at the same time. So I don't have open position on all of the pairs at the same time. because it's too risky, right? It's too risky. Why? If you do that, you're going to be playing a risk that, because all of these pairs are traded against the US dollar. So it means if the US dollar just fluctuates, those pairs are going to misbehave, right? So I do my analysis and I confirm, I have confirmation on all of these pairs to know, okay, this is where we're going. And I have a confirmation on, 3 other pairs. That means we actually go in that direction, and I do go in that direction, right? And I look for the one that have the best setup, right? I look for the one that have the best setup. So if you like from AUD USD, I didn't have a best setup. GBU, I didn't have a best setup, and USD not a best setup. Gold USD, I have a best setup on it. That's why I take it. So if I'm gonna have 2 pairs that could be in the cheap zone, I will look for the best one. I will look for the one that have the best setups. I have A plus setup, I have B plus setup, and I have C plus setups, right? So it all goes in like that. So guys, this is how you trade correlated pairs. This is exactly how you trade correlated pairs. And if you cannot do this, like if you can just do this, if you can just do this, it's mind blowing, right? Isn't it? That I'm just do my analysis, that I'm good, I'm trading, right? So this mind blowing, guys. I hope this helps. I hope this helps. Whatever way it does, I hope it does, right? I hope it does. And make sure you check your pairs if they're correlated, do analysis on them, see what direction they're all going in, and look for the one that have the best setups or the one that is most favorable of all. Okay, guys, stay tuned. And mind you, don't know what trade, don't know what rates, monitor rates. Stay tuned, guys.